Welcome to this tutorial on using Pear Deck with Google Slides to create interactive and engaging presentations. In this session, I'll guide you through how to install Pear Deck, create interactive slides, and track student engagement in real time. To start, let's install the Pear Deck add-on in Google Slides. First, you'll open Google Slides. Then, click on the Add-ons menu at the top and select the Get Add-ons. In the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Pear Deck. Click Install and follow the prompts to finish the installation. Once you've installed Pear Deck, it's time to start using it. Go to the Add-ons menu again. Select Pear Deck and click Start Lesson. The Pear Deck slide bar will appear on the right side of your screen where you can select the interactive features you want to add to your presentation. Now let's add some interactive elements to your presentation. In the Pear Deck slide bar, you'll see various options such as multiple choice, text response, drawing, and draggable. Select the type of question or activity you want to add. For example, you can add a multiple choice question like, which of the following best describes the theme of The Great Gatsby? Customize your question and click Add to the slide to insert it into your presentation. To add a question slide, let's use the ABC text option for an open-ended response. First, you'll click on the Add Slide in the Pear Deck slide bar. Choose the ABC text, which allows students to type a short response. Customize your question, like, what is the main theme of The Great Gatsby? The Pear Deck will automatically add a slide with a text box where students can type their answers. Once students start responding, you can track their answers in real time through the Pear Deck dashboard. You would open the Pear Deck dashboard to see the responses as they come in. You can track how many students have responded to each slide, giving you insight into their level of engagement. If you want to monitor individual responses, you can click on any student's answer to view it in detail. If you want to engage your class further, you can display student responses in real time. In the Peer Deck dashboard, click on Show Responses. This will display the answers on the screen, encouraging class discussion. You can also review individual responses by clicking on a student's answer, whether it's a multiple choice selection, text response, or drawing. Now that we've gone over the features of Pear Deck, let's summarize its key benefits. 1. Pear Deck helps to ensure active student participation through interactive features like multiple choice questions, text responses, and drawing activities. 2. You can track student responses and adjust your lesson based on student engagement in real time. And 3. Pear Deck integrates seamlessly with Google Classroom, allowing for easy assignment management. In conclusion, Pear Deck is a great tool for creating interactive, engaging lessons and monitoring student progress in real time.